following video will show you how to weld with SnapWeld. Please watch the previous Part 1 video to learn how to assemble your SnapWeld package to your universal robot. Remove the cylinder cap. Screw in your regulator flow meter and tighten with a crescent wrench. Slowly open the cylinder valve until the gauge stabilizes, then open all the way. Press the welding menu button on the UR pendant to get the welding pop-up menu. Then press and hold the gas purge button. Adjust the flow meter to 40 CFL. Turn on the wire feeder. Then turn on the weld power supply and make sure you are in MIG mode. Remove the wire spool retaining nut. Then install wire spool with wire feeding from the bottom. Cut off any twisted wire and make sure the first 6 inches is straight. Open the wire feeder door and then open the wire feed bail. Next, thread the wire through the wire feeder. Feed as much wire manually as possible until resistance is felt. Close the wire feed bail and latch. Then adjust tension to between 2 and 3 and then close the wire feeder door. Reinstall the wire spool retaining nut. Press the welding menu button to pop up the welding menu, then press and hold the inch wire button until wire is seen coming out of the torch. If the wire gets stuck, remove the gas nozzle and contact tip. Press and hold the inch wire button again until wire properly feeds through the end of the torch. Reinstall the contact tip and gas nozzle. Make sure the gas nozzle is installed all the way to the top. Cut the wire to the desired stickout length. The wire end is your new tool center point, or TCP. Choose Empty Program. Choose Structure, then UR Caps. First choose Arc Initialize as the first line of your program. Hit Command and enter initial welding parameters. Hit the plus sign to expand the menu. Then enter your welding parameters. Hit the plus sign again to expand the menu. Then enter arc end and crater fill parameters. Press the Save button to save, and name your program. Press the green check mark to confirm. Go back to Structure, add a move for your approach point. Then press UR caps to add arc start and arc end. The parameters you entered earlier are now pre-populated. Inside your arc start command are your arc start parameters and weld parameters. Inside your arc end command are your arc end parameters. Add a final move for your departure point. Make sure all moves are move L for linear, including arc start and arc end. Hit command and select move L. Press and hold the red free drive button to move the robot in free drive mode. Drive the robot to your approach point. Select and set approach waypoint, then press OK. Now drive the robot to the arc start position. Ensure proper stick out, wire position, and torch angle. Set the arc start waypoint. Now drive the robot to the arc end position. Again, maintain proper stick out, wire position, and torch angle. Set the arc end waypoint. Drive the robot to your departure point. Then set the departure waypoint. Make sure the weld menu icon is not red and that welding is disabled. Now let's do a dry run to test your program. Press play, press and hold auto, then hit OK, then press play again. Verify proper wire placement and torch angle throughout the weld path. Finally, enable welding and repeat process to execute the program.